Hey everyone, want to clear the cache in Microsoft Edge? Clearing your browser cache can help fix website loading issues, improve performance, free up storage space, and ensure you're viewing the latest version of web pages. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to clear the cache in Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser, then select Settings. Next, click Privacy, Search, and Services from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you reach the Clear Browsing Data section. Now click Choose what to clear. A new window will appear where you can choose exactly which types of browsing data you'd like to remove. Choose your preferred time range, then check cached images and files. You can also select browsing history, cookies, or other data if needed, but only choose the items you're comfortable deleting. Once you've made your selections, click Clear Now. Microsoft Edge will remove the cached files, and the process usually only takes a few seconds. After the cache has been cleared, revisit any websites that were giving you problems. They may load a little slower the first time because Edge is downloading fresh versions of the website files. For the best experience, clear your cache whenever you notice website issues or outdated content. Avoid deleting saved passwords unless necessary. Keep Microsoft Edge updated to the latest version. And restart the browser after clearing a large amount of cached data. These simple steps can help keep Microsoft Edge running smoothly, and that's how to clear the cache in Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're fixing website problems, freeing up storage space, or improving browser performance, clearing your cache is a quick and effective solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.